Hey, and welcome to another episode of Sip and App. Today we're whipping up these cute and irresistible teriyaki turkey sliders. So grab something to sip on and let's get cooking. First thing first, let's prepare our quick cucumber pickles. You're gonna need some thinly sliced cucumbers and red onions, and mix them up in a bowl with rice vinegar, a touch of maple syrup, and a sprinkle of salt. Pop this into the fridge for at least 20 minutes to marinate. You can make these pickles a day or two in advance for even more flavor. While the pickles are chilling, let's get started on our turkey patties. First, you want to prepare all of the fresh veggies and herbs. It's very important that they are finely chopped or minced because these patties will be pretty thin and will be cooked very quickly. Once they're ready and measured, combine them with ground turkey and the rest of the ingredients, which as always can be found in the description box below. Mix everything up until well combined. Now divide this turkey mixture into 8 equal portions and shape them into round patties. If you have a 3-inch metal ring or biscuit cutter handy like mine, it can help create perfectly uniform patties like these. Next up, let's whip up the quickest and easiest teriyaki sauce. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, sake, water, maple syrup, and cornstarch until smooth. That's it. Set this aside for now. Next, heat a skillet over medium-low heat and lightly coat the bottom with oil. Fry up your turkey patties until they're golden brown and fully cooked, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Remember that the internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once our patties are cooked to perfection, remove them from the skillet and set them aside. Now whisk our teriyaki sauce one more time to ensure that the cornstarch is fully dissolved. Pour the mixture into the same skillet and whisk continuously until it thickens and looks glossy. At this point, turn off the heat and return the patties into the pan and coat them with the sauce on both sides. Now let's add a spicy kick with our Sriracha Mayo. Simply mix together mayonnaise with a generous amount of Sriracha Hot Sauce. Adjust the heat level to your liking and set it aside. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. If you're crazy like me, you probably have a slider bun recipe in your collection, but you can of course buy your favorite slider buns from your local bakery. If you're interested in my slider bun recipe, stay tuned because it will be available soon on my website. The perfect balance of sweet, savory, spicy, crunchy, creamy, zesty, cold, and hot. These turkey sliders are truly a flavor explosion in every bite. I hope you'll enjoy them as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Cheers!